check, black suspender band, 17 years old, he's touching 64. You got your legs bound to your neck, you're making me a physical wreck. I'm talking to you, unless in your satin shoes, unless are you still in the school, unless you're making the fool. I love you, honey, unless you're wearing me out, unless you can scream and shout, unless be your mother too. I love you, honey. Call you Granny G, and my heart's on fire. You come to me wild and wild. Ooh, you come to me, give me everything I need. Give me a lifetime of promises and a world of dreams. You speak the language of love like you know what it means. Ooh, it can't be wrong. Take my heart and make it strong, baby. You're simply the best, better than all the rest, better than anyone I've ever met. I'm stuck with your heart, I heard every word you say, only tears apart. Baby, I would rather be there. In your heart I see the start of every night and every day. In your eyes I get lost, I get washed away. Oh, as long as I'm here in your arms, I could be in no better place. You're simply the best, better than all the rest, better than anyone I've ever met. Ooh, I'm stuck with your heart, I hate every word you say, only tears apart. Baby, I would rather be there. It's time to leave me as I'm losing control, to walking away with my heart and my soul. I can feel you even when I'm alone. Oh, baby. mensahe para ken ka sa dinuman iti ayan mo malaglagip ka naipaneknek kun kinapudno ken ka adi ka malipatan dito'y biyag ko iti panagmaymay sa di mas paalan tiniw ko kumusta nga tan ni ay ayatin kun kunaday ko'y puso umanay langin nga agek ladawan mo nga iso pangipapasak to'y iliw ko iti panagmaymay sa di mas paalan tiniw ko kumusta nga tan ni ay ayatin kun kunaday ko'y puso umanay langin nga agek ladawan mo nga iso pangipapasak to'y iliw ko nga iso pangipapasak to'y iliw ko nga iso pangipapasak to'y iliw ko Yesterday, when I was young, the taste of life was sweet as rain upon my tongue. I teased at life as if it were a foolish game, the way the evening breeze may tease a candle flame. The thousand dreams I dreamed, the splendid things I planned, I always been a last, a living shifting sand. I live by night and shine the naked light of day, and only now I see how the years run away. Yesterday, to be sung, so many wayward pleasures lay in store for me, and so much pain my dazzled eyes refuse to see. I run so fast the time, and yet that less ran now. I never stopped to think what life was all about, and every conversation I can now recall concerned itself with me and nothing else at all. Yesterday, the moon was blue, and every crazy day brought something good to do. I used my magic age as if it were one, and never saw the ways of emptiness beyond. The game of love I played with arrogance and pride, and every flame I lit too quickly died. The friends I made all seemed somehow to drift away, and only I am left on stage to end the play. There are so many stars yesterday.